Importify Product Finder Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. Now let's go over what Importify offers, its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the right product research tool for your dropshipping business. Importify is a powerful dropshipping automation tool designed to help store owners find and import winning products from multiple suppliers, including AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, Etsy, and more. Unlike other product research tools that focus solely on AliExpress, Importify gives access to a wider range of suppliers, allowing for more flexibility in sourcing. The tool is especially useful for those who want to test different suppliers and avoid competition-heavy products. Key features: multi-supplier product sourcing. Import products from AliExpress, Alibaba, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, DHgate, and more, giving you a broader selection of potential winners. One-click product importing. Easily add products to your Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix store with a single click, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Automated product customization. Edit product titles, descriptions, and pricing before publishing to make your listings unique. Competitive research. Analyze products from top-selling stores to identify trends and best-selling items. Auto-fulfillment with supplier switching. If a supplier runs out of stock, Importify allows you to quickly switch to another supplier without affecting your listing. Built-in profit calculator. Get real-time cost and profit estimates before importing a product to ensure strong margins. Who is it for? Importify is ideal for dropshippers who want access to multiple suppliers and don't want to be limited to AliExpress. It's especially valuable for those looking to source unique products, avoid oversaturated items, and increase profit margins by testing various suppliers. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: supports multiple suppliers, easy product importing, supplier switching, competitive research. Weaknesses: no built-in order fulfillment. Pricing varies based on planned features. Final verdict: Importify is a great choice for dropshippers who need a flexible and efficient product research tool with access to multiple suppliers. It streamlines product importing while giving you the ability to switch suppliers if needed. If you're serious about building a profitable dropshipping store, check the links in the description to learn more.